In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an online store using Wix in just 5 simple steps. Whether you're launching a new business or bringing an existing one online, Wix provides a user-friendly platform to help you reach customers worldwide. Let's get started. First things first, navigate to your Wix dashboard. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so. The dashboard is your command center for managing all aspects of your website. From here, you can control everything from design to e-commerce features. If this is your first time here, don't be overwhelmed. Wix's intuitive design makes it easy to find your way around. Next, we'll need to add the Wix Stores app. This app is crucial as it powers all e-commerce functionalities on your website. In your dashboard, look for the Apps tab. By clicking on this, you'll open the Wix App Market, which is like a treasure trove of tools and functionalities. Type Wix Stores into the search bar and click on the Add button next to it. Once you add the app, Wix might prompt you to choose or verify your website domain if you haven't already. Don't worry, the platform will guide you through any necessary steps. With the Wix Stores app installed, it's time to add your products. Head over to your new store manager, typically found within your dashboard, where the magic happens. Here you can click on Add Product to input the details of what you're selling. Be thorough when entering your product information. That means uploading high-quality images, writing clear and compelling product descriptions, and setting the appropriate prices. Remember, more information can help inspire confidence and encourage purchases from your potential customers. Now that your products are uploaded, you need to set up your payment methods and shipping options. This is essential as it determines how customers can purchase from you and receive their items. Navigate to the Settings section, then Stores, and here you'll find Payments. Choose a payment provider or set up manual payments. Wix offers various options, including credit card processors, PayPal, and others, making it flexible to suit your needs. After securing your payment methods, proceed to set up shipping. You can access this within the same section under the Shipping tab. Decide how you'll deliver products. Will you have a standard rate or offer free shipping? Consider your customers' locations and the costs involved. Lastly, once your store is set up, it's time to publish it on the web. Back in the dashboard, you'll find the Publish button. A click here will make your site live. Before publishing, though, take a moment to review each element of your store. Make sure your products, payment, and shipping information are accurate. And there you have it. Your Wix store is now up and running. Don't forget to regularly update your stock, add new products, and perhaps even write a blog to keep your customers informed